In this video, I'm going to show you how to download all the stocks in column A, one by one automatically with Excel VBA. You can download this code from my website, but this is going to be the last button I'm going to press, and then it's just going to run through and download Shake Shack's historical stock data, then Alibaba, and you can do this for however many stocks you want, and you can just walk away from your computer and I'll do it. So let me just move this down. So I'm just going to press play, and what my code does is it opens up Yahoo Finance, and it pastes in the first stock, which is Shake Shack. It searches it. Then it selects historical data, and historical data shows the different stock price on each of the days, and how it opens and closes. And then it goes to download data, and at the bottom left of my Google Chrome browser, you can see shakeshack.csv. So it downloads all the historical stock data for them. And then it opens up the File Explorer, it goes to my downloads, and it copies the name of the file that we just downloaded and pastes it into the workbook. And then it opens that workbook and copies over the data into the original workbook, and then it goes to the second stock and it pastes the second stock there, and then it searches it. And now the second stock is Alibaba. It goes to historical data. Goes to download data. I basically use all the codes you get from my website, but it just sets wherever on the screen it is, and then it just repeats the task over and over. So now it opened up Alibaba, and now it's done. So now in this workbook on sheet 2, so it pastes the first stock in here, and then it pastes the second stock at the end of the last row over here. You could just paste them on different sheets or wherever you want to paste them, and then you could do statistical comparisons between all the different stocks. And the good thing about it is you could download as many stocks as you have in column A. And thank you for watching my video.